Today's video regarding HP OfficeJet Pro 9013 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do the copy, print and scan with this printer. So copy we can do easily. We simply have to open the top scanner lid, place a page facing downwards on the left hand side corner. Now go to the display panel. On the display panel we have to click on the copy icon, as we can see here. If it's a document, ID card or photo, you have to select according to that and click on the copy button. And you can also do the setting in the copy, so you can do two-sided or one-sided printing. So here we can see it has quickly done the copy here. Now the next thing is to do the wireless printing and scanning. For that we need to connect this printer with Wi-Fi network of our home or office, and then to add it in the device, for example iPhone or Android device. On the display panel we can see there is a button to scroll down, and we have a setting option, so we have to click on that. Click on the network setup. Now click on the wireless settings and click on the wireless setup wizard. It will search for the available Wi-Fi routers. Now this blue light is blinking, that means it is not connected to the Wi-Fi. Once it stays on, that means it is connected. Now look for the Wi-Fi network. Click on that and enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Once you enter the password, click on the done button and click OK. So you will see your printer connects to the Wi-Fi network. It will display a message on the screen like it's connected. Also the blue light, as I told, will stay on. So click OK once it is done. And once you do that, we simply have to go to your device. So I have iPhone here. Download the HP Smart app. Now open the app and you will see on the top of the screen there is an add printer button or plus button, and click on that. On the next screen it will display the series and the name of the printer, and once you click it will add up here. Now we can do the scanning and printing through here. For example, to do a print, click on the print document and select any file you want to print from here, and there is a print icon, and click on the print again. So here we can see the result. The print is done. Next thing is to do the scanning. So you will see there is a printer scan icon on the screen here. Click on that and place a page you want to scan. If you have multiple pages, you can just place them facing upwards like this. So this is a top feeder tray. Now click on the blue icon and it will send a command here. So here we can see the scan has been transferred easily, and this way we can do the wireless scanning. So overall this is a very good printer for home or office use. You can do the multiple scannings at once. You can do two-sided printing, and you can connect it with the home or office Wi-Fi network within few minutes, and then you can add it in your device and use it for wireless printing, scanning. So overall it's a good printer for home or office use. Thanks for watching.